Okay, dumbbell 3-point row. What are the 3 points? Your hand is stationary, both feet are stationary. That's 1, 2, 3 points. Your other arm is the one moving, so it's going to hang directly underneath your shoulder. Make sure your back is flat. So your hand that's on the bench stabilizes so nothing else moves besides shoulder, elbow, and the dumbbell is getting pulled in towards your ribs. So pull it in, keeping the elbow tight. That's going to squeeze that lat instead of pulling it straight up towards the shoulder. We're going to get more muscles involved and we're going to get swole.